Use synthetic division to find the quotient and remainder from dividing the polynomial by x minus 2. Synthetic division is a way of dividing one polynomial by a linear binomial to find the quotient and remainder. When dividing by a linear binomial using synthetic division, make sure the factor is written in the form x minus a. As you can see, x minus 2 is already in this form, so we will be using 2 in the synthetic division calculations. These 4 placeholders are for each of the coefficients of the polynomial. Since this is a polynomial of degree 3, there are 4 placeholders, 1 for each term. This is how synthetic division works. The numerical term goes here, and we determine that that was 2. Fill in the coefficients from the polynomial here. So the cubic term has a coefficient of 1, the square term has a coefficient of negative 2, the linear term has a coefficient of negative 9, and the constant term is 18. Start by dropping this first term here and then multiplying it by 2 and placing the product here. So 2 times 1 is 2. Combine these two terms, negative 2 and 2 are 0. 2 times 0, put the product here, so this is 0. Negative 9 plus 0 is negative 9. 2 times negative 9 is negative 18. 18 plus negative 18 is 0. So we end up with this division equation, p of x divided by x minus 2 equals, and these are the coefficients of the quotient, which is a polynomial of 1 degree less than the original polynomial, so we get x squared. There is no linear term, there's a 0 here, so x squared minus 9 with a remainder of 0. From the remainder theorem, we know that this term, this remainder of 0, is the same as p of x with x equals 2.